guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, and for today's video I'm going to show you guys what I've got from my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of April. This is how it looks like inside. So if you guys wanted to see what I've got, and then just keep on watching. Once again, this is the glam bag for the month of April. This is their like kind of lemonade vibes for spring. Here is like a booklet from the Ipsy Glam bag for April, and it says here, now in season, spring fresh beauty. And here is just like very vibrant colors, yellow, all these citrus, and inside of it, it does have all the description of each of the products inside of my Ipsy Glam bag this month. Before I'm going to start putting all these makeup products or test them out for you guys, I'm going to start doing my eyebrows, and I'll be right back, guys. So I did my eyebrows, and I did use this one Aerie Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil in the shade of dark brown. First is this one. This is a Nomad Cosmetics, and they are cruelty free. And this one is a intense eyeshadows in the shade of Blue Lagoon. And here it is the packaging. I love the packaging, and it's very the size of it is very convenient to like on the go. And this one is actually like I said, this is a cruelty free and vegan, and it's on the net weight of this product is 0.05 ounces or 1.5 grams. And this is how it looks like. It's very tiny. I'm going to use this Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline in the shade of Light. So I'm going to prep my eyelids. So I'm just gonna go use this one eyeshadow here, and I'm going to use this brush, and this is how pigmented it is, and we'll see how is it gonna go in our eyes. Very colorful eyeshadow. It's very pigmented, easy to apply, and as you guys can see the pigmentation by applying with a brush. And then I'm going to use my hand or finger just to maybe tap more in the middle of the eyelids, just to have more vibrant color in there, as you can see. And then I'm going to do the other one. As you guys can see, there's no fallout in this eyeshadow. It's just a little bit stained underneath because of the eyelashes. So this eyeshadow is actually inspired by the Blue Lagoon in Jamaica, they said. And it is very, this eyeshadow is made with hemp seed oil to nourish and hydrate the sensitive skin of your lids. So next one is this one. This is a Eyeko London in the liquid eyeliner with wide lash in the shade of Black Magic. And it does have 0.035 ounces, and this one is waterproof, lash enhancing, precision brush with. For the claims are on this product, it won't fade, smudge, or budge, so no worries about having to reapply. And with its tapered precision tip, the looks you can create with it are limitless. Next product is this one. This is the Tarte base tape, and it is a hydrating primer. So here it is, and it does have 0.33 fluid ounces in here. This one is a brand new primer, and it does loaded with jojoba grapeseed extract to moisturize and keep your skin hydrated for 12 full hours. And it does have a coconut to smooth your skin, plus it helps your makeup look better and last longer. And it is a vegan and cruelty free. For foundation, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. I'm in the shade of 455. So the next product that I'm going to get in this bag is this one. This is a fan brush by BDB, which is Billion Dollar Brushes. The bristles are very soft. So this one is a $1 billion brushes, and they are known for their high quality brow products, but their brush game is strong too. And this one is a baby densely packed and charcoal infused bristles, and it does have a antimicrobial powers in here to keep away the bacteria, and while blending your powders or any kind of makeup products. So I'm going to use this one. This is the Ofra highlighter in the shade of Star Island. So the last one is this one. This is a hair product, and this one is a Marc Anthony True Professional Coconut Oil and Shea Butter Hydrating Curl Cream. I don't have my curls right now because I straightened my hair today, and I'm going to open it still and check how is the smell of it, and still sealed, as you guys can see. Very shea butter smell. 1.69 fluid ounces in here, and this one is extra curl styling control and definition for with humidity resistant. It's a little bit bigger than I expected, because usually they're like this tiny tiny products or tiny bottles or tubes. So yeah, so it's like this. I don't know, the texture is a little bit sticky, but most of the hair products are like that though. They're not like very totally water. So yeah, the texture is okay. So far, among of these 5 products inside of my glam bag of this April's month, I'm going to say I like the brushes. This one, the fan brush, and the bristles are very soft. And I like this one too, the Eyeko liquid eyeliner in the shade of Carbon Black. I like it because it's very pigmented, and you can tell that it does have a lot of products in here, and there's no waste at all, and it's very pigmented, and it comes out easily like no other liquid eyeliners. And I don't know if it's really waterproof, but based on what I can see, it didn't move or budge or smudge whenever I curl my eyelashes. So these two are my favorites so far, the liquid eyeliner and this fan brush by Billion Dollar Brushes. And that's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it. Ring that bell button so that you guys get notified whenever I upload new videos to my channel. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.